Alright guys, so we just got the Civic delivered to our house, and make things easier for my buddy, we're gonna push the car to the house because this trailer is kind of big for the streets here. Here it is, guys. Got the engine bay all painted up, and I got some rusty bolts, but that'll change. The subframe I'll probably change out as well. I still need a lot to change on it. The brake lines I'm just gonna leave like that for now. Eventually I'll probably do some type of tuck on it, maybe not. Haven't really decided yet. Got the engine bay painted, outside's painted. Got my EL mirrors. There she is. Here's that quarter panel that used to have rust. No more rust there. Sunroof. There's some few dents here and there, but I'm not worried about it. It's not something that I actually was really mainly concerned about. I mean, there's bound to have dents. Now, I just need to take my time, wet sand the car and polish it. There's a big dent here that I didn't see, and probably should have mentioned it to him, but I'll go ahead and find myself a PDR. Now, the sun is shining like right here. Maybe I can get a close-up of the color. It's not really showing. So here, let me get a close-up of the color. There we go. Looks black, but with the right light, look, you can see that purple. Alrighty, now that I have the car back, I'm able to prep the engine, get it ready to drop into the car. I'm still waiting to get my mounts. I was hoping I'd get a call today, but that wasn't the case. So now I just wait for the mounts. When I get the mounts, put it on the motor. I've got the motors here. My D16 Y8 built stock transmission, and I've been reading online, and I've been debating whether or not I want to do a D to B motor, but I still have yet to determine that. Got my OEM grill and lip. These actually came off of my silver coupe.
say you love for me to say.